let us know.
Yes, it is.
Good idea.
My phone just died.
Mine's working.
Well, I'm gonna get the video thing. Get on the building, dude. Up the fireworks. On the building.
It only takes 30 seconds at a time.
That's probably a minute countdown.
I'm not kidding, my phone died.
My friend was like, there goes my child. I was trying to shoot out the middle of the stadium as it was imploding. I saw a website that was like, all Cowboys haters mark your calendar.
It doesn't matter, we got a big one.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I was at the Rangers game 2 days ago and they had fireworks show. Oh man, my video thing went off just because of the rain.
I bet it's going down.
Yeah, I know.
Could have done it. Yeah.
Back and forth, so it didn't go off.
Finale should be the stadium.
Yeah.
Over there.
Alright, where's the big one?
Like, you know, on our regular route.
There we go. There we go.
That's just a...
There we go.
Boom!
Have it on pause.
What happened?
Oh, come on, guys.
Hey, it's a kid pushing the button, so be easy on
It's
him.
not time to get cold feet now.
You guys lost him.
Lisa, are you
I'm
recording?
not let it go.
I thought you put the view scheduled for next week.
Oh my god. What this What,
Mine already died. I'm
like,
not
what if this
waiting.
was on like April Fool's Day and they're just like, just kidding. I'd be so pissed.
That's everyone's coming. Here we go.
There's too many cell phones on the radio.
Is he signaling?
Messing the shit out of that.
He's like, yeah, I get the best.
Yeah, no doubt.
One minute.
1 minute.